Hey everyone, David here, and it's time for us to have an honest conversation about the future of your business. The phrase business as usual is officially dead. It's gone. If you're training your employees today the same exact way you trained them 5 years ago, you're already falling behind. And don't just take my word for it. According to the World Economic Forum's recent Future of Jobs report, a staggering 44% of your workers' core skills are expected to fundamentally change by 2028. Let that sink in. Nearly half of what your team needs to know to be successful is going to shift in the next few years. Stagnation isn't just a bump in the road anymore. Stagnation is a recipe for absolute obsolescence. So how do we fix this? Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can future-proof your business by making your learning strategy smarter, more agile, and completely data-driven. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the skills gap. You simply can't solve a 44% skills gap by handing your employees a massive, boring, static course catalog and saying, good luck, figure it out. They don't have the time, and you don't have the luxury of waiting. That's where our first massive shift happens, AI-driven learning paths. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, a modern platform like VeduBox uses smart AI-driven recommendations to do the heavy lifting for you. The system actually helps identify the specific deficits your team has, whether they need to brush up on data literacy, learn new AI tools, or master a new compliance standard, and instantly delivers targeted content directly to them. It's like having a personalized career coach for every single employee. You aren't just crossing your fingers and hoping they learn what they need. You're ensuring your workforce is evolving just as fast as the market around them. That brings me to my second point, the power of virtual classrooms paired with microlearning. Let's look at the data. Research from the Association for Talent Development shows that virtual training programs can save companies 50% to 70% in training costs. And even better, they completed 60% faster than traditional sit in a stuffy room all day training methods. VeduBox unlocks these massive savings by bridging two worlds. They give you seamless integrations with the tools you already use, like Zoom and WebEx, for those important live virtual sessions. But they pair that with fast, on-demand microlearning modules. So instead of an employee taking 2 days off for a seminar, they could do high-impact 5-minute video module between meetings. It's faster, it's cheaper, and the knowledge retention is significantly higher. And speaking of retention, let's talk about employee retention. We all know that holding on to top talent is harder than ever right now. But did you know that learning is actually a retention tool? LinkedIn's 2024 Workplace Learning Report confirmed that learning and growth opportunities are a top reason why top talent decides to stay at a company. If you aren't investing in them, they'll go find someone who will. You have to build a culture of lifelong learning. And to do that, you have to meet your employees where they are. That means mobile. VeduBox provides a fully accessible mobile learning ecosystem. Think about the modern worker. They're commuting, they're traveling, they're working from home. With VeduBox, your team can start a training module on their desktop at the office, pause it, and pick it up right back on their smartphone while riding the train home. By making learning that frictionless and that accessible, you're proving to your team every single day that you're actively invested in their long-term success. Finally, let's talk about, title of this graphic, the data. It's time to move your L&D department from guesswork to actual measurable strategy. Research from the Brandon Hall Group reveals a fascinating disconnect. 88% of companies say they want better learning analytics, but only 23% are actually measuring the business impact of their training. Why? Because historically, pulling that data was a nightmare. VeduBox puts you in that elite 23% tier. With their advanced admin reporting dashboards, you aren't just seeing who clicked complete on a video. You get deep, granular data that allows you to correlate actual learning proficiency with real business outcomes. You get clear compliance audit trails, you can track skill proficiency levels over time, and you can finally prove the ROI of your training programs to the board. To sum it all up, the world is changing fast. You need an adaptable, resilient workforce to survive it, and you need the right tools to build that workforce. If you want to see how one of the most comprehensive all-in-one platforms on the market can completely transform your business, click the VeduBox link in the description below to book a demo today. As always, if you found this video helpful, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how your company is handling the skills gap. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.